Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, November the 23rd, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus. I believe there are 9 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. And today, there was an announcement of the government because tomorrow the social distance of 1.5 meter is back. Yes, is back. So I'm glad because the numbers of the infected people with corona is still increasing. So tomorrow, 1.5 meter social distancing, and if the numbers are not dropping, decreasing, then definitely there will be a lockdown. All right. So this the news of today. But first, we will solve this medium Sudoku. This one will be number 3722, I believe. Yes, 22. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. And for 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. How about the last column? The last column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 and a 2 in this big square, so no 3 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 2. Let me mark those. So what are the other 2 numbers in the last column? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7. No, 5. We have a 5. Correction. 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 8. Alright. Alright. Now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 and a 1 in the middle row, so no 4 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. How about, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Which number shall I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. One box left for the 6. Should be there. And then, how about? So, yeah. We have a pair. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. One of the missing number in the middle row is also the number 8. We see here an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 4 in that box. The 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. How about the number 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, we see here there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. 3. 2, 3, 5. Okay. So we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8 are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, and 6. 1 and 6. Okay. Alright. How about 2, 1, 2, 3. What's 3? 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. Here we have 3 and a 5. These 2 missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. The 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. Okay. Let me think. How about the 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Alright. 2, 3, 4. Okay. How about these 2 numbers? No. 4 to 5. Yeah, these 2 numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. And 1 is missing, 2 and 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4. And the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. No. The 2 and the 5. Correction. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Oh, wait. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row, both. So that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Final 2 numbers over this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Could be a little bit faster. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.